Each year, over 87% of the 86 million pounds of polyester produced in the US is not recycled and can end up in landfills. Now, there's a smarter solution. HYGEN r-40 Recycled Microfiber, made with 40% recycled polyester. And tough on germs. R-40 Recycled Microfiber Cloths are ideal for a multitude of cleaning tasks, from wet messes to dry dusting. There's one cloth for every job. Color coding makes it easy and helps reduce cross-contamination. Professional-grade performance you can count on. Every room, every task, every time. Made to last up to 200 commercial launderings or 100 launderings with bleach. Colors stay bold and bright, even after many uses. HYGEN delivers a higher level of clean. Learn more at Rubbermaidcommercial.com.